الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. احنا الحين في مختبر التاج الطبي مع دكتورة سروج سينغ، هي اللي دكتورة المختبر باثولوجيست. فإن شاء الله عمر السقاف يقوم عمر السقاف يبدأ بأسئلة وإن شاء الله هي بتجاوب وإن شاء الله تبدأ.
أهلا وسهلا. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You are Saroj Singh.
Yeah.
I am very happy to meet you here in التاج laboratory, some of section of Zubedi groups. Our group is a family group. Just we want to take some information about the laboratories here. You are a doctor here. Just we want to listen from you what is the responsibilities here.
Yes, I'm looking after all the administrative work, educational and my professional work. First to look after all the lab work, what the inside technicians are doing and all. So I have to look after all the management of quality, how they are doing, and professional. This is a professional work, and then advisory to the patients, to the doctors, whatever advice they want, and all administration and looking after mainly the customers to make them satisfied.
Yes, yes.
So we have to look after everything.
Yes.
So my responsibility is to from the reception to the to the collection to the lab, everything overall looking after that, and then results. How are the results? I have to correlate, and if some who are the doctors who wants some suggestion that I give. If the patient also wants some suggestions, I give to them also. If they want they want some tests to be done, then also I can suggest them. And the rest look after all the administration to see how the technicians are working, so their educational what do you call that?
Training side.
Yeah. And quality improvement.
Yes.
We are looking after all over that.
Dr. Saroj, how long you are working here?
Here with them I'm working I think now 5 years. But in UAE I was working from I think 35 years.
MashaAllah.
Before I had my own clinic, private clinic, Suleiman Medical Center.
Yes.
Then I shifted to with them.
With the one.
So here in Al-Taj 5 years.
5 years.
So
Going well. Our wishes with you, good wishes.
thank you
I
so
am very happy to meet you.
much.
And so thanks to give the good opportunity to take the responsibility. I am very thanks.
دكتور سينغ.
Dr. Singh.
دكتور سينغ هو زوج الدكتورة.
أيوة. ما شاء الله.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Singh, head of radiologist, and since 4 years, 3 years you are here now.
I am here.
In the lab here, not in the country.
Here,
Hey,
maybe 7 years.
7 years, yes.
Yeah.
First of all, we made you very happy.
So nice of you.
What is your work here? What is your responsibilities here?
We are giving all radiology services.
Radiology
All means X-ray, ultrasound mainly.
Yeah.
We are giving and giving to the all the normal clinics, specialized clinics, everybody. So all basic radiology we are providing.
MashaAllah. We now very happy. Your wife also here.
Yeah. We both are working. She is pathologist.
How long you are in this country?
I am here for more than 35 years.
35 years here.
Yes, so 35
In a line.
In a line, doing radiology work.
How is going your work here?
Yeah.
here work? How is going work?
It's going on very well. Patients are very happy. And now with my stay, you can understand that I am happy with the people and people are happy. Patients are happy with me.
Experience.
Yeah.
Really, we are proud for Dr. Singh because he has long
Of course, this long experience and
a very well-known doctor in city.
shakhsiyat माशाल्लाह.
You know, this all 35 years spotless career I had in my life. Everybody was happy and I am also happy with them and serving, and because my aim is to serve them. Basic purpose is that I should do something good for them. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Give me this opportunity.
We are always a support system to the people, giving them best of our services.
Yes. Thank you very much. We are from Bardash Group, it's a family group.
Okay.
We take the opportunity, this opportunity now, how is going the laboratories here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
عندنا قسم تحميض الافلام الديجيتال، تحميض الافلام يعني بشكل رقمي يعني يسميه بالعربي، وياخذ الفيلم ويعمل لها تحميض عن طريق الرقمي ديجيتال يعني يستخدم كان
Hello, Alvin. How are you? Good afternoon to you. I'm see you here, very happy.
Me also.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
خلي تتكلم. What is your responsibilities? What is your job here? Just give me briefly idea how you are working and how you are doing with
About your work.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, sir. Mostly we are treating good for all these patients.
Yes.
So mostly no more complaints for all the patients because we are doing very well and very good in this institution.
Yes.
And what is your step by step how you are doing? How you are receiving the orders?
Yeah, but by the way, but that one, some patients we are going to check whatever they are, what test we are doing, what radiology request from the doctor. Then that time only we can enter here the name. Then we are going to inside and put all the things prepared, and we will make a good view or good exposure and good image for the patient.
Thank you. I want to share with you.
Okay. Just give him what is this here. Oh, this here. X-ray machine.
This is our X-ray machine. Okay, that is for control. So that's why every time we clean this one for the safety of patients.
Safety of patients,
So sometimes some patient is
Every day.
there. Yeah, we are cleaning.
How long you are working in this department?
It's almost 6 years now.
Senior also.
هذه الكنترول بانل غرفة التحكم. اوكي ده ان شاء الله مشكور.
So sweet of you. Yeah.
Very,
So sweet.
very
Yeah. And you know, now this is my second home.
You are second? Yes, well, of course you are second. Till you are from 35 years living here.
Yeah, half of the life.
Yes, how of the life?
Yes.
Of course it is your country.
Yes, I take it as my.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.